In this video, I'm going to discuss a lead generation strategy using QR code. So it says QR code marketing campaign. So the idea is to ask customers to scan this specific QR code to offer them the Wi-Fi password. So if you have any other things to offer for free for the customers, you can do that campaigns as well. But in this demo, I'm going to show how you can actually connect a QR code with the free Wi-Fi offering to generate more leads. So let's get started. So without any further ado, let me show the demo of how this works. So here is the QR code over here. So it says free Wi-Fi offer QR code messenger. So this particular QR code is connected with the messenger channel, and when some particular customer scans this particular QR code, they will be prompted with a chat on messenger. So you can print out this particular QR code and display in your local business. So it may be a coffee shop or a restaurant or even a salon as well. So this can work for any kind of business, but let's see how this works live. So I'm going to scan this specific QR code over here. So let me share my phone screen over here and scan this QR code of how this works. So here I'm scanning this QR code and it says this particular window over here. So let me tap on this button and it should take me to Messenger, as you see here, and actually it start talking to the customer. So it says, hello, happy to see you here, hope you're having a great time. Use the following settings to join our Wi-Fi spot. So it says the Wi-Fi spot name is Static Media and the password is best AI chatbot service. So it also asks the customer to tap the button below if they are able to connect to the free Wi-Fi. So this is how easy to offer the Wi-Fi password to your customers, and they actually start the chat in the messenger as well. So if someone actually successfully connected their Wi-Fi, they will simply say yes, connected. So after they tap this button, yes, connected, let's see what happens. So it says awesome, enjoy seamless browsing and streaming. If you need anything, feel free to ask. And also it's also sent another kind of message immediately. Don't miss out on the free spin wheel game discount offer happening today. You could win exciting discounts of your final bill. So don't wait, spin the wheel and save. So it's an opportunity for the customer to win some discounts on their final bill. So let's see what happens after tapping this specific button. It says yes, save big. So it should provide us take us to the spin wheel game where we can actually win exciting discounts. So it says welcome to our spin wheel game. You have a chance to win exciting discounts. Spin the wheel and see what you will. And it says you have only 2 chances. Go ahead and spin the wheel by clicking the button below. So we have only 2 chances. Let's see what happens over here. So let me click on spin the wheel and see what happens over here. Congrats, you have won 3% discount on your bill today. And there's a gift over here. And are you happy with the discount, or would you like to try again? So if someone says yes, I am happy, it will ask them their name, email and phone number and provide them an image to show it to the cashier at the time of payment. If I am not satisfied with the 3% discount, I can try again as well. So let me press no, let's try again, see what happens over here. So this is my second chance. So it says you sure you will lose your existing 3% discount, and this is your final chance. Do you still want to spin the wheel again? Your spin wheel chances left 1. So this is the final chance. So I can still click on yes, spin again to see what happens. So it will actually provide me an option to spin the wheel over here. So it says go ahead and spin the wheel by clicking the button below. So let's spin again and see what happens over here. So it should take some moments to get us the results. So here, let's see. So that's the GIF overloading, and it's the time for your final spin. Let's see what you have won. And it says congrats, you have won 8% discount on your next purchase, and that is your final spin. Click the button below to claim the discount. So initially I actually won, as you see here, initially we won 3%, but now this time we have actually won 8%. So we can now claim the discount as well. So let's see what happens over here when I click the claim the discount button over here. So great, please enter your full name to claim the discount. So it actually asked me for the name, so let me enter some name over here. And after that, it should actually ask me for the email address. Finally, I have just provided the phone number over here. And see what it says. Thank you, please show this image to the cashier at the time of payment, and this is valid only on August 16, 2023, which is today. And it says 8% discount, the customer name and their phone number which I provided, valid only on August 16, 2023. So it's a easy way for the cashier to check and verify if there's particular discount won on this particular day, and they can actually offer the specific discount they have actually won. So this is how this whole thing work. And if someone actually tries to enter again, so let's see what happens. So I'm going to try scanning this QR code again and see what happens over here. So let me simply scan this QR code again. So let me share my screen as well. So let's see what happens over here. So it will take them to the messenger. Main goal of this QR code is to offer them the Wi-Fi password, and it simply provide the Wi-Fi password over here. So even if I tap on yes connected over here, it simply stops with this message. It won't send any other kind of messages asking me to participate in this spin wheel game. So as you see here, it simply stopped over there. So now let's see how this is actually set up over here. So this is the specific flow we are talking about, QR code free Wi-Fi marketing. So let me show how this is actually set up. So when this particular QR code, as you see here, is connected with a messenger link. So if I go over here and if I click on get published link, and I can simply copy the messenger link over here, and using this specific link so this is the exact link, you can actually generate QR codes using external tools, or we also have this internal QR code generator tool which you can generate QR codes over here. For example, let me show that internal QR code generator tool over here. But this actually supports multiple channels. So if you choose and generate, it simply generate the QR code over here, and you can simply download and use it in your flows as well. So that is about the QR code. And here we have actually set this message in such this way, and it says Wi-Fi spot name and Wi-Fi spot name, Wi-Fi password. So these are set as some kind of variables. So you can access these variables over here in the custom fields. And if you scroll down, account fields, so this is the Wi-Fi password and the Wi-Fi spot name we actually received in this specific demo over here. So you can easily change these things over here, and those will be automatically updated in the flow as well. So that's why these are created within the account fields, so to make easy changes over there. And once they tap on the yes connected, it will say them awesome, enjoy browsing. And after that, we also have a condition to check if they have already participated in this spin wheel game and count how many spins they have actually associated in their profile. So if their spin is less than 2, or if it is unknown, that means they haven't participated in this specific game over there. So that's why it actually send them this kind of messages. Suppose if their spin wheel is 2 or greater than, that means they have already participated in the game, so it doesn't send any kind of messages. So that's why when I tried this for the second time, it didn't send me any other kind of messages, and simply stops after this specific message over here. So this is how the spin wheel looks like. So after 2 seconds, we actually send this kind of message, and if someone is interested, they can press this yes safe big button, and it simply send them this kind of welcome to our spin wheel game, these kind of things, instructions, and it's also provide an option for them to spin the wheel. So here we actually, when someone click on this spin wheel, we actually increase their chances by 1. And also regarding this random discount, we actually offering a discount between 1% to 12%. So that's why initially I actually won 3%, and finally I actually won 8%, I guess. Yeah. So if you want to reduce the discount, you can change it over here, and if you want to increase, you can adjust this minimum and maximum, and based on that, a random discount will be generated for the customer every time when they spin this specific wheel. And based on the answers, so if the spin wheel is 2, that means that is their final chance. So that's why they will receive this kind of messages with the discount code over here. You won random numbered percentage. So that means this is a variable which is generated from here. If I click on generate random, so this is saved in custom field, random field, and that is what we are actually using in this flow builder over here to call that variable we actually generated. And if someone actually has spin wheel is 2, that means they have used their 2 chances. So that's why we are actually having only one button to claim the discount. Suppose if the wheel is less than or 1, less than or 2, we also provide them an option to try to claim the discount if they are happy, or if they want to let's try again. We simply send this kind of message if they are asking if they are sure about trying again. If they confirm if they are sure or yes spin again, we simply send them back to the flow and get the new discount code over there. So this is how this whole flow works. And when someone confirm if they want to claim the discount or if they are happy with the first spin, we actually ask them for their full name, those kind of things. So the full name is saved over here, and for the phone number, those kind of things are saved over here, and the full name is saved in this specific field, and the email is saved on the specific field as well. So once all these details are provided, we simply say, please show this image to the cashier at the time of payment, and this is valid only on custom date. So if I look at the custom date over here, we are also setting the custom date to now. So that means at the particular day, it will get the variable over there, get the variable today's date and save it in the custom date. So every time when a particular customer tries this flow, it will be displayed the today's date automatically, and we actually send this kind of image for them, and we actually have this random number discount code, the full name and the phone number as well. And we are also notifying the admins as well. So what happens is that when a particular customer or a particular client claims their discount, the admins will automatically get notified as well. So you can actually send this notification to an SMS or an email or even other channels as well. For example, if I show the latest notification, as you see here, admin notification, the customer name, and it says has just won 8% of final bill on this particular date. So that is how the admins will also receive the notifications. So if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.